Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make water blue in Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and you don't know how to make the water blue, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app on your phone. Now, click on the plus icon to choose the photo that you want to edit. Now simply click on Tools and select the Tune Image option. Now long press and scroll to Warmth and decrease it all the way down to -100 and click here to save changes. Now as you can see, not only water but its background is also blue. So to change that, simply click here and select View Edits and Tune Image and select this option. Now you can click on Invert and you can erase the part that gets affected by the tune image, just like this. Like this. You can also zoom in and be precise on your selection. And once you're happy, simply click here. And just like that, we have turned the water blue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.